Hey, Chef K, welcome back to the channel. We're smoking chicken wings and we're dressing them up 3 ways. We're gonna cut some corn, just some thawed out, store-bought short ears of corn. Gonna cut them about 3 kernels wide, just slice them. Gonna put them in the air fryer. Lay them out in an even layer, 1 layer, so they'll cook even. Gonna fry them 15 minutes at 400 degrees, no oil. We're Applewood smoking these chicken wings at 235 degrees for 2.5 hours. We haven't done anything to them. There's no seasoning on them, no rub, no nothing. There's your coins, they're done. Chicken wings are done. We put a coating of butter, real light, and a shake of Cajun seasoning on those corn coins. We're going to start dressing these smoked chicken wings. They were cooked with no oil, no seasoning. We put a coating of garlic and butter on them, real light. We're going to put some lemon pepper and some Parmesan. These are really flavorful. Load those onto the tray. That's our first way. Second way, going to take those Applewood smoked chicken wings and put some sweet barbecue sauce on them. Not much. You want to coat these lightly. You don't want to get them super wet. That's our second way. Third way coming up. We're just going to put some medium buffalo sauce on these. Not a lot. Shake them up. And that's wings 3 ways. Applewood smoked. We did some garlic knots in the oven. We took some canned pizza dough and cut it in strips and just kind of rolled it up like a cinnamon roll. Cooked them at 400 for 15 minutes. And then we just brushed some garlic and butter on them. They're great. Nice plate there. Good corn coin. Not easy to say. Thumbs up. And there it is on the plate. Hey, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.